Hi friends, today I would love to share with you this cordless vacuum cleaner. Guys, this product works really good. It has a very powerful suction motor and you have two different speeds to suction, a min and a maximum one. And you can see the display right here in this LCD screen that also shows you the battery life. Best part is that this product is rechargeable and you will find this power cord over here for you to recharge it, and it has a very long battery life. You will also find some brushes with it so you can clean different parts of your home. You will find this 2-in-1 brush that has the brush as well as this crevices nozzle that is always great to use. Also guys, you will find the floor brush that also has some LED lights in the front for when you're cleaning very lower portions or under the cabinets and such, so you can take a good look of what you have there. And you have this retractable tube that you can expand. So this one you will use it along with the floor brush. That way guys, when you clean your floors, you don't have to bend and hurt your back. Overall, it's a really great quality product. It is very lightweight, guys, super easy to clean as well. So you just open right here to empty the container that, by the way, has a very large capacity, and everything in here you can remove and clean it, rinse it with water. Really great overall, guys. So I highly recommend this product and I really hope you will enjoy it. I'll see you next time. Bye.